What's up, you guys? Finally back in the saddle again. Guess what? I'm unboxing today. I'm unboxing a stereo amplifier. That's right, you guys. This is what's in the box. It says is a amplifier unit and a remote control. This is the AK-55 stereo amplifier. It has USB connection, aux connection, Bluetooth, FM, digital radio. Right here, I got this for my surround sound. I got the new TV. Make sure y'all watch the video for the new TV. So let's get this baby unboxed. I'm gonna show you what's involved. So we're gonna open the box up real quick. Of course, we have the power cord here. Inside, you can kind of see the back right there, but let's slide this out. Boom. What we got? Okay, on the back side here, we've got the remote control and the antenna right here, and of course the instruction manual right here. See, I've got my surround sound system's got the old school speakers on it where you have the wires in it, and but I got this specifically for the optic cable. It's Bluetooth, and I can put my optical cable on it too. You know, instruction book, what we normally don't read. But here's the main event right here, so I get right into it. There it is. Look at that. That baby right there. This is the AK-55 FM radio. Here's the power switch on and on. You got bass. You got treble. There's an MP3, so you can put a flash drive in here, play your music. The volume scan, volume up, volume down mode. You can have mic 1, mic 2, so you could do your karaoke if you want to do karaoke. It has Bluetooth built into it. And here's your echo and your delay and your volume here. And here's the music speakers right there. But this is what I got it for. See, I've got the old school wire speakers going all around top of my ceiling for surround sound. So I can plug my 4 speakers up here. Then I've got right here, I got the power cord, DC. Here's the optical cable here. So I wanted the optical cable input. And right here's the FM antenna. Then you got the aux right there. But this is what I got it for right here. And hook that up, and then I'm good to go. I can do my surround sound. So make sure you guys check this out. This is the AK-55 amplifier right here. Audio amplifier. This is what you want right here for your old school heads right here. Link will be in the description.